Ever been in a situation where a mysterious scent pervades the air around you? A scent that has no apparent source. A scent that lingers, sometimes stronger, sometimes fainter, but always there. This is the story of a classroom, a scent, and the power of imagination. Picture this, a math class. The teacher has a headache, so she's in the staff room. The classroom is abuzz with murmurs. Ruby, a curious student, asks, "Have any of you ever noticed this scent?" Khadija replies, "It's strange, isn't it? It doesn't feel normal." Zabi chimes in, "Agreed, something's off." The girls begin to speculate. Ruby drops a whimsical theory. "You know, they say that when fairies descend to earth, this scent spreads." Sanya, sitting against a wall, retorts, "And why would they do that?" Khadija, ever the dreamer, says, "Maybe they come to greet us because we're virtuous." The classroom erupts in debates. Sanya argues that such things only exist in dramas, but the majority of the class is convinced the scent is a sign of fairy visits. The rumor spreads throughout the school. Despite thorough searches, the source of the scent remains elusive. One day, the scent is stronger than ever. The girls are excited, thinking the whole fairy family has arrived. But then, the teacher walks in holding Fahad's wrist, a notorious fifth grader. Sanya and Khadija are with her, holding a broken bottle. The teacher silences the room and reveals, "The scent wasn't because of fairies, but this little imp. He's been pouring scent on all the windows." The class is stunned. Ruby and her friends look at Fahad, who grins mischievously. Khadija promptly suggests a punishment for the mischief maker and the rumor spreader. Fahad cheekily responds, "But ma'am, I spread the scent, not dirt." The teacher addresses the class. Turning a small thing into a big deal and spreading rumors without investigating is not good. Those who spread rumors will eventually be ashamed. The girls promise not to spread rumors in the future, and thus, the mystery of the scent is solved. It wasn't fairies, but a naughty fifth grader with a bottle of scent. A great reminder that sometimes the truth is much simpler than we make it out to be. And that imagination, while wonderful, should never replace investigation.